Hey everyone, welcome back to Online Scam Advisor. Today, we're diving into something a little different, a knitting learning guide that claims you can start knitting instantly, learn step by step, and save tons of time. Sounds perfect, right? But the real question is this actually helpful or just another overhyped digital product? Let's find out. So this guide promises three main things. Instant access so you can start knitting today. Easy step-by-step instructions for beginners. Quick tips and proven methods to save time. At first glance, it looks like a dream for anyone who wants to learn knitting without spending months figuring things out. Now, here's where you need to be careful. Most of these instant learning guides are digital PDFs or video courses, and many of them recycle basic information that's already available for free online. That doesn't automatically make it a scam, but it does mean you should question the value. Ask yourself, is the content truly unique? Are there real user reviews outside their website? Do they show proof of results or just marketing claims? Here are some warning signs. No clear creator or instructor details overpromising fast results with zero effort, no refund policy or unclear terms, fake or overly generic testimonials. If you see these, it's better to pause before purchasing. Honestly, if you're a complete beginner, a structured guide can help. But paying for it only makes sense if it offers something beyond free tutorials, it has genuine positive feedback, and the price is reasonable. Otherwise, platforms like YouTube already offer high-quality knitting tutorials for free. So, is the knitting learning guide legit or a scam? It's not necessarily a scam, but it might not be worth your money if it's just repackaged basic content. Always do your research before buying any digital course. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Scam Advisor for more honest reviews. And if you've tried this knitting guide, drop your experience in the comments. It could help others stay informed. Stay safe, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.